Good, how you doing?
Pretty good, thanks. You know what?
What's going on?
I think they're about to put something out that I need to go to. So just... Anyways, I thought you were riding with your high beams on.
Oh, no. It was just that one? That's what I was riding on with.
Okay.
High beams this one.
I see, I got you. Alright, it just looked bright for some reason. And then I thought I saw the blue light, but maybe
Blue?
that's like a reflection.
Was it my camera maybe? Filming red?
I don't know if it was that.
Yeah, no blue.
Anyways, yeah, okay. No problem.
All good.
You got a license, register.
Yeah, you want to check it out?
Nah, you know, if you got it, I trust you.
Yeah.
Just, yeah. All right.
Have a good day.
Night. You know how to get back to where you're going from here?
Yeah, I was home. Actually, just right up the street.
Okay.
So.
Ride safe.
Yeah, you too, huh? Well, I mean, drive safe.